Hello, Tashitalek. Today we are going to start with family. Some would say family is what matters most. Family, in Tibetan, it's Nangmi. Here is my mother. Let me rephrase it. Here is my Amala. Yes, Amala. Here's my father, or my Pala. And yes, it's I in the middle. That's right, it's Nga in the middle. So there's my Pala, my Amala, and Nga. I'm their daughter, or Pomo. Pomo also means a girl. My Amala was a Pomo when she was young. My Pala was not Pomo when he was young, but a Poo. So when you add more to anything, mostly, it will become feminine. So Poo, and if you add a more, it becomes Pomo. So Poo means boy or son. Pomo, when you add more, it becomes Pomo. Pomo means girl or a daughter. My parents want to have a son, then my family will have Amala, Pala, Pomo, and Apu.